Guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper lunch box. So let's get started. So for this activity we need a piece of color paper. It needs to be a square sheet of paper. So the first step is that we have to fold the paper in half. Step number 2 is that we should fold the paper in half in the opposite side. Step number 3 is that we should fold all the 4 corners to the middle. So now we have to fold all the 4 sides to the middle line, then we have to unfold them back. So after we are done with that, we have to open any two opposite sides. Then we have to fold the other two folded sides to the middle line again. So it should be like this. Then we have to fold the top corner to the bottom and the bottom corner to the top in both the sides. We have to unfold it back. Then we have to repeat the same step on both the sides. Now after we are done with that, we have to open these two sides, and we have to fold the fold the paper to make a box. So I've completed one side and I'm doing the other side. And the box is ready. We also may have to make a box like this in the same way. And now we have two boxes. We can take a piece of paper and cut it, and we can keep it in the middle to separate it. If you see in this box I made already, there's a line, and I glued some paper together and I kept it in the middle to separate it between the two boxes. And now we can also tape a little bit of paper into tiny strips to make a handle. But I haven't made a handle in this new one, so you can make a handle if you'd like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!